So here are the takeaways from the Advanced Manufacturing Kickoff meeting in Switzerland. Over 150 leaders and influencers met in Neuchatel to discuss the need for a global manufacturing alliance. Traditionally, well-established technologies like nano-imprint, direct laser writing, or selective laser etching have dominated the market, but now new sustainable technologies like micro-optics and meta-surfaces are emerging as options for making smaller, smarter devices faster and cheaper. But scaling these technologies into a profitable business means we need to remove some roadblocks, like metrology. If you cannot measure it, you simply cannot make it. What's more, if you cannot measure it accurately, no one will buy.
You just talk to us.
In Neuchatel, we confirm that competing companies need agreed standards in order to grow the sector. And that starts by agreeing amongst photonics manufacturers and gradually understanding the changing needs of end users. Sounds simple, but it's not. It starts with agreeing on what we need to do together amongst trusted partners. Our meeting revealed that we need an MOU 2.0 for the Alliance, a deep dive online meeting next January, and an inspiring venue for the 2025 face-to-face gathering. And today, I can reveal where that will be. We just wrapped up the kickoff of the Advanced Manufacturing Alliance meeting in Neuchatel, and I'm today in Heidelberg, at Heidelberg Instruments, the company that will host the next edition of the Advanced Manufacturing Alliance. Let's see what happens after 1 year. We just kick off the meeting by understanding that we all need to work together closer and list the capabilities of each one of our members in a supply chain. The next stage is to see how we can actually automate such a supply chain. We have 1 year until we meet here in Heidelberg at Heidelberg Instruments. Heidelberg Instruments has 40 years experience in microfabrication, building laser lithography systems and mask aligners for advanced micro and nano patterning. With an installed base of over 1,400 systems, they are an excellent host for this important Optica initiative. And the city of Heidelberg is an inspiring place to discuss and build what the market needs next. If your company has reasons to get involved, now would be a good time to reach out to us. We are particularly looking for more companies who have innovative metrology solutions, new materials, especially with high refractive index, packaging technologies that allow very low insertion losses, and new equipment manufacturers for the automation in volume production. See you in Heidelberg!